picked up some new landscape lights and I want to show you what they look like in my front garden bed. So I got these from Sam's Club. They're a LED solar path light and they're going to work really good along this border here. As you see, these plants get kind of tall. In an earlier video I installed similar path lights, but they're low, and as these plants get tall it kind of blocks some of the light. So these standing a little bit taller are gonna go ahead and fix that. So this is what you get in the box, 5 of them, and these lights are huge. I mean, twice the size of what I thought they were gonna be. The other thing is that these clear bases are actually made of glass, so you don't have to worry about these fading in the sunlight, and they're very thick, heavy-duty glass. The other cool thing about these is that they have a replaceable battery. So I've spaced these out how I want them, and you just want to be mindful that you don't place these in the shade most of the day. They're in an area where they get lots of light. So I'm going to take my old lights out, I'm going to relocate them and put these new ones in. So I've got them installed, they look really nice, they stand up tall. I'll show you what they look like at night. Hey, thanks for watching.